welcome to my channel, KANDI Perler Fairy. So I hope everyone's doing okay, because lately the heat wave is going crazy. We get these alerts for the excessive heat. So it's really hard to concentrate, especially during the day. It's super hot. I tried to do this tutorial earlier, but it was just too hot. So today I wake up super early to do this for you guys. Alright, so I hope everyone's gonna get over with this heat soon and get back to making 3D perlers. So as you can see today, I have the Pokeballs here. So we're gonna be doing a Pokeball tutorial. But before we start, I want to thank you everyone for always supporting my channel and being here. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you click the button and the bell so you won't get you'll get notification whenever I post new video and cute stuff to share. And also a reminder that I'm trying to grow my Pinterest and TikTok. I post a lot of my free patterns on Pinterest, so make sure to go there, check it out, and support my channel by liking and saving my pins. Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to build the newest variation of the Pokeball. So we did this last year. A lot of you guys have built this one and tag me on Instagram, so thank you so much. This is one of my favorite because it's very very solid, very strong, this Pokeball. And also you can open from the top piece and then put like lights in there or a little gift. And I also see like all of you guys do different colors, so it's very easy to customize it. But then I think about Pokeball, we do have to open it this way, right? So this year I designed it to make another one to open it. So it opened from the center. And as you can see, I put the Pikachu ring in here. I'm gonna show you how to make this one in another video. This one's super cute. I found the pattern online, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make this one. But today we're just gonna focus on this openable Pokeball. So if you ask me if does it use glue, it will only use hot glue for the first piece. I use it here so that it can stay here. But other than that, you don't need glue for the whole project. But then you'll need a little tiny thing I'm going to show you as well. I also make the gray ball right here. So this one is super cute. I blue with the red stripe. And I also made the Pikachu version, right? I saw this one like a toy. So I was like, oh my god, I'm going to make this one as well. And I can't believe I just made it. So this one is super cute, and you can see I stuffed another Pokeball inside. So the storage is really big. You can see I have another Pokeball inside of this. So it's really good, like a gift if you want to give it to somebody. One last thing is that I also made a stand, because I always seeing Pokeballs just laying around, and I was like, I want to make a stand, so that I made a stand for it to like stand up here so it looks a lot better. Sometimes you can see, okay, like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you how to make this stand as well. So there's a lot of things going on today. Earlier, the only hot glue that I apply for the pieces is this white square piece right here. So I stick on it. You don't have to, but I think it's needed because so that you can keep it here and open and close and lock it. And then another thing that we will need is, so I'm gonna show you in a little bit. I got this from Hobby Lobby. And then this is the size that is good for the bead, for the back opening part. So we do need to use this just a tiny little bit. So I'm gonna show you in a little bit. But if you want to get it, this is where I got it from Hobby Lobby. It's only $3.99 for like many strips. So let's get started. Yay!
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos.
Alright, let's get started with the base. So this is the white base of the Pokeball, and I put them in the order already. So we're gonna build each part and then we're gonna put them all together. Alright, so this one, let's add in the connectors here. And then follow this order, the pattern. And take it slow because you don't want to break any of the pieces.
And if I'm going too fast, feel free to pause and go at your own pace. Yep. Yay! Okay, so we got one part ready. And this is the back part. So these two are on the side. So I'm going to use this connector here and insert it right here. And then adding these pieces onto the top. Pretty easy, right? And then this one, the same thing. Ooh, we got 3 sides done already. All right, so 2 sides and the back. Let's do the front. Here is the front. So this is gonna be the connector. And we just follow the order, how I put the pieces together. And this one on the top, yeah, okay. All right, looking good. And then this comes to the bottom piece. Okay, so the bottom, let me see. Okay, so this is the bottom piece. And adding the connector right here. This is first. And then this is second. Adding the layers up, I think. Should we go this way? Oh. Actually, I like it the other side, so let's try this again. Flip it over. I always just try to find the side that lays the best. Okay. And then we're gonna add these two onto the side. Yep, and then this one onto the top, and this is the bottom piece. All right, so we got all the sides ready. We're ready to combine them. Okay, so this one right here. All right, let me see. So from here, I think we're gonna go from here. I hope I picked the right side. Yep. All right, so this is one side. And then leaving these two on the side, and then we're gonna add them. Oh, actually, let's add this piece first. So this one go in right here. Yep. All right, now add the 2 sides. Slowly. Yep, got it in, and then the other side. So I found it easier when I hold it up, the pieces. And then this one will go to the front. Isn't it easy? Yay! All right, so let's add this to the top. So here, just slowly and just tap onto the grip. Super easy. Yay! So we're done with the base, and we're gonna work on the top, and then I'm gonna show you how this is going to connect to the top so it can open and close. Let's go. All right, so let's get started with the top, which is the red top. And then you might ask me, are they the same as the bottom? Actually, it's slightly different, so don't think it's the same. All right, so let's get started. So I'm gonna start with the back piece. Okay, so it's gonna go this way. So this is the connector, so it goes this way, and then here, and then just follow the way I laid the pieces. Alright, so we got this part done. Let's go to the front. So it's gonna go this way. Yeah, so if I'm going too fast again, you can feel free to slow down and do at your own pace. And then here, I'm gonna leave this piece on the side. So we got the the back and the front. Okay, so and then we're gonna do the sides. Pretty easy. All right, so one side is done. Let's do the other side. All right, looking good. And let's build the bottom piece. All right, so I made a mess. Okay, so here is the connector. All right, so and then adding these pieces in order. And then these two connector on the side. It's very similar to the white part, but again, some pieces are the same, so don't use the white part to build the red part. Okay, all right, so we got all sides done, front, back, sides, and the bottom. Let's combine them together. Okay, so here, this one is gonna go right here. Yeah, looking good. And then I'm gonna insert this one first to go here. And then we're gonna add the sides. One side done, and then the other side. Looking good. We're almost there. And then this one. Yep. All right, and then time to close it up with the top. And we move this one really quick. So this is the top piece. And this, find the empty space and fill it up. Yay, we got it done. And then here is right here. And then earlier I mentioned I used hot glue to add this piece right here. So then every time I open it, it would not fall out. So it's gonna look like this. So I simply just add this piece and then add the hot glue on the top and then add this piece onto the top. So that is gonna like this and then right here. So it's gonna be very stable. If you wanna add a little extra, you can add a little extra glue onto the back so that it will stay in this way. All right, so, and then we're gonna combine them. Let me put these two. All right, so now we got both the top and the bottom, right? And then how do we keep it open? Because you can see here, we can add it in here and then close it. But the problem is it will fall out, right? So let me show you. This is what you will need. It's like a little rope. It's plastic. And I got it from Hobby Lobby. And then this would be the size, 2 mm, right? If you are doing mini perler bead, you will need a smaller size. But then this one, the big Pokeball, then I'll use this size and it looks like this, right? And then how do we connect these? Okay, so I'm gonna show you how it looks right here. So you can see, these two pieces, they have this little joint in the middle, and then to connect these so that it can move up and down. Okay, so I'm going to show you right now. So I'm going to measure the size. This is exactly how much I need, and I'm going to cut this part. All right, so looking good, and then I'm going to take out these joints. You can put it back later on, so don't worry about it. So simply just remove. Okay, so these two, we're gonna insert these two first. All right, so these two will be in the middle. Okay, and then these two will be on the side. So it goes like this, and then one more on this side. Oops, did I flip it upside down? Okay, so it should be like this. All right, let me see. Yep, exactly. And then you will use the iron and then put the ironing paper on it and then iron this part so that it can become like this. It will melt, you know, it will melt into this, so it can lock into this place And then now we did this, and I'm gonna put it back. Alright, so we did it for the bottom, and then let's do it for the top. So the top should be easier because it's only just like here, pushing it back in. Yeah. Alrighty, so now it can open and close, and then with this staple here, like, you know, with the glue, so it can close. Yay! You know what, I'll show you guys the display case in another video because I'm running out of time, so I am sure you want this one as well because it's needed. So if you make this one, tag me on Instagram so I can show it to others for a special shout out. And if you enjoy my video, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends so that they can make a Pokeball of their choice. And also stay tuned for these. Oops, this one. Alright, so for these variation. Alright, thank you so much for, you know, watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!